2 sin x cos x divided by 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of 2 sin x into cos x divided by 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x dx. पुट काय करणार आहे? डिनॉमिनेटर जो आहे तो सरळ पुट करूया. 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x is equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. 3 into 2 cos x. What's the derivative? Minus sin x plus 4 into 2 sin x. Sin's derivative cos x dx is equal to dt. Plus minus 6 sin x cos x plus 8 sin x cos x dx is equal to 8 मधून 6 गेला. 2 sin x cos x dx is equal to dt. Therefore I is equal to simplify 2 sin x cos x dx is equal to dt 1 upon t. 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x बद्दल काय पुट केलं आपण? This is the log t plus c. That is I is equal to log of t ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे आपल्याकडे? 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x plus c, which is the required solution. For example, 10 into x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log 10 divided by 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log 10 divided by 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 dx. पुट काय करायचं? पुट 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 is equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. दोन्ही साइड्स काय करायचं आपल्याला? Differentiate 10 raised to x into log 10 plus 10 into x raised to 9 dx is equal to dt. तो पाठीमागे पुढे टर्म आहे, ॲडजस्टमेंट करूया आपण. 10x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log 10 dx is equal to dt. Therefore I is equal to integration of x 10 into x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log 10 dx ची किंमत काय आपल्याकडे? dt, that is 1 divided by t. Log of t plus c, that is I is equal to log of t ची किंमत काय बरोबर? 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 plus c, which is the required solution. For example, x raised to n minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 x raised to n. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of x raised to n minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 raised to n dx. पुट काय करतो? पुट 1 plus 4 x raised to n is equal to t. Differentiate with respect differentiate on both sides. Once a derivative 0 4 n into x raised to n minus 1 dx is equal to 4n x raised to n minus 1 dx is equal to x raised to n minus 1 dx is equal to dt divided by 4n. का न्यूमरेटर मध्ये जेवढा आहे तेवढं ठेवावं लागेल. x raised to n minus 1 and x raised to n minus 1 dx dt divided by 4n. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1 upon square root of t into dt divided by 1 upon 4n constant 1 upon t raised to 1 half
dt.
4n integration of t raised to dt. We have to simplify. T raised to minus 1 half plus 1 divided by minus 1 half plus 1 plus c 1 upon 4n t raised to 1 half divided by 1 half plus c, that is 2 divided by 4n square root of t plus c बे दोन्ही 4 1 upon 2n square root of t ची किंमत किती आपली 1 plus 4 x raised to n plus c. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon 2n square root of 1 plus 4 x raised to n plus c, which is the required solution. For example, like 2x plus 1 into square root of x plus 2. Let I is equal to integration of 2x plus 1 square root of x plus 2 dx. Put काय करणार होतो x plus 2 is equal to t. 2 तिकडे घेऊन जाऊया. x is equal to t minus 2. Differentiate on both sides. dx is equal to dt. Therefore I is equal to integration of 2 into x ची किंमत प्लस 1 राहील प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ t इंटू dt. 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करूया 2t मायनस 4 प्लस 1 इंटू स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ t इंटू dt. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 2t minus 3 into square root of t dt. Square root of t म्हणजे किती 1 half मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करूया. I is equal to integration of 2t t raised to 1 half minus 3 into t raised to 1 half dt. Integration of 2 into t raised to minus t raised to 1 half dt. Integration separate करूया. 2 integration of t raised to minus 3 integration of t raised to 1 half dt. Using the t raised to formula plus 1 3 divided by 2 plus 1 3 into t raised to 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 plus 2 into t raised to 5 divided by 2 minus 3 into t raised to plus 2 into 2 divided by 5 t raised to 3 into 2 divided by 3 t raised to 3 ला 3 5 t ची किंमत किती आहे बघा t raised to minus 2 into x plus 2 3 divided by 2 plus this is the r, which is the required solution. For example, x raised to 5 into square root of a square plus x square. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of x raised to 5 square root of a square plus x square dx. Put काय करणार आता a square plus x square is equal to t is equal to t. मग x square is equal काय येणार आहे t minus a square. Differentiate on both x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2x dx t चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0. एक स्क्वेअर कॉन्स्टंट आहे that is 2x dx is equal to dt, that is dx is equal to dt divided by 2x. Therefore I is equal to integration of x raised to 5 square root of a square plus x की किंमत t dx की किंमत
dt divided by
2x 1/2 कांस्टेंट काढूया into x square into x square into x square root of t dt divided by x ला x
cancel
2 and 2 4 4 and 1 5 1 divided by 2 integration of x square ची किंमत
2
t minus a square t minus a square into square root of t into
dt
I is equal to integration 1 divided by 2 तीन आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय कर t into t
t square
t square minus
a square
a square t minus a square t
plus a raised to 4
a raised to
4
4 into
root t
t raised to 1/2
dt
that is equal to 1/2 integration of t raised to t square
minus
to a square t plus a raised to 4 into t raised to 1/2 ना आतमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करूया t square into t raised to 1/2 minus 2a square t into t raised to a raised to 4 into t raised to 1/2 into dt. That is 1 divided by 2 integration of t raised to by 2 minus 2 a square t raised to
3 divided by 2
that is a raised to 4 t raised to 1/2 into where it is given integration using the formula t raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 a square t raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by
3 by 2
plus 1 plus a raised to 4 t raised to 1/2 plus 1 1/2 plus 1 plus 6 1/2 t raised to 7 by 2
7 by 2
minus 2 a square t raised to
5 by 2
divided by 5 by 2 plus a raised to 4 t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus that is I is equal to 1/2 2 divided by
7
7 t ची किंमत
a square
a square x square raised to by 2 2 कुठे गेला वरती 2 into 2
4 a square divided by
4 divided by 5
a
a square t ची किंमत a square plus
x square
raised to
5 by 2
2 by 3 e raised to
4
4 t ची किंमत
x square
a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus which is the required solution. 2 कॉमन काढा म्हणजे हा 2 4 आहे इथून 2 निघाला इथून पण 2 निघाला हा 2 ला हे 2 कॅन्सल दॅट इज I is equal to 1 divided by 7 a square plus x square raised to 7 by 2 minus 2 divided by 5 a square into a square plus x square raised to 5 by 2 2 निघाला म्हणजे 1 divided by 3 a raised to 4 a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus c which is the required solution. हे लिहिलं कारण हे लिहिलं काही फरक पडत नाही.